like the one we gave example AB, isn't it? We say unbounded. We give example A infinity, isn't it? We say real line. We say it's from minus infinity to infinity, isn't it? We say extended real line. Extended real numbers or real line. We say from minus infinity to plus, with plus infinity, isn't it? We say this is simply R. We say this is R union plus. So you add plus infinity to this, you call it extended real. But this in a nutshell, that's what we do, isn't it? Good. Now we also discuss about lower bound. So we are now going to define what we call least upper bound. What is least upper bound? Okay. Before we discuss least upper bound, what is upper bound? What is lower? Let's even start with lower bound. So, a number, maybe n, is called a lower bound. For E, E is an interval or a cut in R. Okay? If for any x you take in this E, that x is greater than n, or equal to n, okay? Every element you pick in this interval x, that element is bigger than, or at least equal to n, then n is now called your lower bound, okay? So you imagine a situation, for example, you imagine a situation where you have numbers from, suppose you are picking just the counting numbers for simplicity. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on. And if this is an interval now, 1 to 4, then we say 1 is lower bound because any number you pick after 1 will be bigger than 1, isn't it? Any point you pick apart from that point, x will be bigger than this n. So if this is your n, okay? Then what is upper bound then? It's a number, isn't it? A number, let me call it m now, okay? In E dash, where E dash is an interval. Or a cut, okay, in R, is called an upper bound, if for any x you pick in this E dash, okay, that x is less than m, okay. So for example, in this example, my 4, this 4 can be my upper bound, isn't it? Because any number I pick, it will be less than 4, isn't it? Or at most 4, because the interval stops. So when an interval is like this, it has lower bound, upper bound, then we say it is what? Bounded, isn't it? We'll now discuss what is least upper bound. If this has a bound, what is the least upper bound? Because you realize that in this real line, this one will continue to 5, 6, 7, and so on. Up to what? Plus infinity. So that means just like 4 is a bound, upper bound, 5 is also an upper bound. 6 is also an upper bound, and so on. So what is the least one? Okay, so the least upper bound. So we'll now discuss what we call least upper. Maybe we'll clean this side. Discuss least upper bound, isn't it? So our definition is now least upper bound. Now the least upper bound okay, for a subset E of R is denoted sub E. Sub E, where sub E means where sub is an abbreviation, okay? Of the Latin word supremum, supremum. So now, it's actually supremum, meaning the smallest of, okay, supremum. So we say, so i.e., least upper bound is called sub of E, where sub E can also be written like sub of all x, where x is in E. Okay. Sub of all x in E. All x in E. Okay, so like this, sorry. Sub x. X in E, like this. So that's how we write it. Supremum of all x in E, x. All the x's in E takes their supremum, or their least upper bound. Or we write like this, supremum of all x where each x is in E. And when you write this, we mean this is called least upper bound.